Okay, here we're going to start at 800, and I've got the 800 hertz going, and I know there may be a reflection, but there's the 800, and I'm going to need to see the markings. These are just rough centimeter markings, so they're not very precise. So I'm going to put this in here, and I'm going to I can hear the resonance. I don't know if you can hear it on the screen, and I can see it on the spectrum analyzer, and it's occurring right at about 10 centimeters. So I'm going to put down 10 centimeters, or 0.1 meters, and now let's do it again and see where we find another resonance. Okay, there's the 10. Oh, and it's right as this thing is about to come out of the water. Let me reposition it so I can read the. And I show it at 31. So let me put down 31. And if I had a longer tube, we could look for more resonances, but we don't have it, so we'll just stop it there.